Working with the steady rest showed that at speeds above 600 revolutions per minute, a vibration developed at the top of the steady rest, making it uncomfortable and unsafe to work. To eliminate this vibration, I welded another steel ring perpendicularly and added two internal braces on each side. This added significant rigidity, and the vibration completely disappeared. After applying an anti-rust primer and a coat of white paint, the steady rest got its original look back. Let's do a quick test. As you can see, we've reached 1000 revolutions per minute, and there is no vibration at all. I think this speed is more than enough for the final finishing turning of any piece.